There's dolomite. Is that a geode sticking out? I could try to climb up there and see if that's a geode. Sherwood today, again. It's about 60, probably low 60s. The sun's real nice. It's perfectly sunny. I'm walking along the trail, going directly to the spot, Full Ramp Creek. I ain't wasting no energy today on anything else. I'll get back to you guys. Got Old Faithful, got the rock hammer that I brought, a smaller chisel in case I find something small and delicate. Alright guys, let's get this party started. Luckily when the storms hit Friday night, we really didn't get hardly any rain compared to what we could have, so the creek levels are still at the level or even a little bit below. When I was here, probably Thursday or Friday, I can't remember when, but we're gonna go more in depth today with all this Ramp Creek formation here and see if we can't find something else. Okay, I'm just gonna fall right out there. Somewhere over the rainbow, you find geodes sitting down in a creek or falling on the hillside. Is that a geode sticking out? Oh, jeez. I could try to climb up there and see if that's a geode. But knowing my luck, it's the only thing holding up that entire shelf right there. So I'm not gonna touch that. I'm doing something stupid, guys. I'm gonna try and get it. It looks like a giant geode. I think I could be, I'm good. If I just take my time and stay close to the edge, I can stand up here and, I mean, I don't think it's gonna fall. Maybe I could try and make the stuff above it fall before I try. Maybe there might be one there too, but I just gotta be careful. Oh my God. I touched it. I made it. Yeah, there's geode in this Ramp Creek now. I'm gonna do something. Ooh, calcite. I'm gonna do something I probably shouldn't do. I do not condone this. I'm gonna make a little ledge. I'm on top of the world. I'm going to barely touch it. It doesn't feel too unstable. That's good. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this out or not. Looks like it's got some stylolite action going on. It seems relatively stable. But my goodness. My goodness. I don't know if that's coming out, guys. Maybe if I can try and get something from the other side. I'll get back to you guys. Well, I got it out, guys. Luckily it didn't collapse or anything, but it's probably solid. I don't care if it's solid. It was still fun. Watch this. kind of hollow. Just calcite. Bunch of calcite and chalcedony. Oh well. Still fun, like split great. But I need to, yeah. If I always wanted to do that though, is extract a geode from Ramp Creek and bust it open. Okay guys, I did what I said I wasn't gonna do again, but I found this, and it's about to come out, and I've already bent my hammer. I'm just being really careful. But, dear Lord, this thing is massive. Now this one I'm going to carry down because it doesn't feel that heavy. Remember when I said I wouldn't climb again? I lied. This could be absolutely amazing. Or it could just be quartz. Yeah, it's just chalcedony. It's interesting though. Nonetheless, it's interesting. Very blue, very big chalcedony. That's about it. Still cool. It's got like a double layered effect, but it's breaking, so I'm not gonna keep it. That's really neat. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm being joined by a little water snake up there, sitting on those branches. I'm going to boop you. I'm going to boop you. Oh, hi. Okay, bye. I pet the snake. Couple of little boops. Oh man, I shouldn't have done that. Some nice dolomite. This I might do something with. God, that's hollow. It's kind of neat. My God, it's hollow. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do a quick little showcase of the pieces that I kept today and what I might end up doing in the future. First, I kept the geode with some pretty beefy sphalerite in it. Set that down and then check it out. What I plan on doing with this piece is getting some really strong vinegar and trying to dissolve all the calcite out of it and see if I can get some hollow geode with dolomite and sphalerite. That would be awesome. I mean, look at the luster on this. It's crazy. Crazy. Can you imagine what this would look like with all that calcite out of there? I've seen people use just like your ordinary vinegar, but I know that Lowe's sells like cleaning grade. It's a lot more strong, so I feel like that would dissolve it a lot quicker. I mean, look at that smooth face there. Here's the double geode that I got. I'm gonna try to move this light down. But it's like the thinnest wall I've ever seen on a geode. It is crazy. There's a good one. Look at that dolomite in there. It's pretty nice geode. Oh, focus now. There you go. Nice protrusion of dolomite. Really thin. Cool specimen. Really well preserved piece of horn coral. I mean, it is, wow.